So we've got Alec Ramon here all the way from Australia. Whereabouts in Australia?
Newcastle, mate.
Newcastle.
But,
and you just finished your stint there in the finals. How do you reckon you got on?
I think, like I said, in the middle. I think I wasn't entirely happy with the numbers that I'd put in. But the quality's there. So hopefully that might save me in the end. Because some of the boys have put in big numbers. Yeah, they're all good bricklayers.
Well, you put in big numbers. You say nine courses there or thereabouts?
Yeah, about 7. Yeah, just under 720.
Right. So
which was sort of what I was aiming for. But like, it would have been nice to get maybe 760, like a few more than I did last year.
Yeah. So, well, now it's just the wait for the judging, seeing what deductions are made, and then seeing whether you make that top 3 and possibly.
Well, look, I'd be happy with, as long as, if I'm in sort of the middle range, I'm happy. You know, because for me, it's not about winning on, bragging and all that sort of thing. It's about, inspiring the younger people in Australia, like the younger bricklayers, that your trowel can take you more places than just the pub.
Brilliant.
It can take you everywhere.
Oh, super. Well, you've come on over today, and we've asked you whether you can come over, use our new Roughneck Trowels, and give us your honest opinion. If you like it, let us know. If you don't like it so much, let us know. There's some muck down there, there's some bricks. Lay a few bricks and just talk us through. What's your initial impressions? You've got there the 10-inch London Narrow.
Well, I quite like how it feels.
Right,
the light handle.
Yeah.
Because for me, I don't use a whopping great big trowel like a lot of other fellas.
Yeah.
But that actually does feel quite good in the hand.
So what do you normally use? What is your...
Usually, look, Marshalltown's usually my go-to.
Yeah.
I do use Rose as well, but I like to try, different stuff as well.
Yeah, yeah. And what pattern do you normally go for, and what size?
That pretty well.
10.
Yeah.
10
or 11.
Yeah.
Nice and narrow.
Yeah.
Because like my thoughts on trowels are, you don't use all of the trowel all the time. So when you're picking a trowel of mud up, this part here is always sort of not being used. So if you've got a huge trowel, there's only so much mud you're going to be able to pick up with that.
Yeah, yeah.
And the other thing too is a smaller trowel's better for your wrist, better for your elbow.
Absolutely, yeah.
So
you guys get an injury, you're out, or it slows you down.
That's right. That's right.
Time is money, speed is money.
I don't know if you've got any half bricks flying around, but I'll...
So how's that starting to feel? I know it's only a short kind of try there now, but does that feel uncomfortable?
It does actually.
What about the weights? Is the weight?
It's not too heavy, it's not too light either.
Yeah. What do you make of the flexible tip of that?
I like it.
Yeah.
It's a little bit stiffer, but it has got a little bit of flex in it.
Yeah, yeah.
So its balance is perfect.
Nicely balanced. Super.
Yeah, but I like that.
So just 4 bricks there, but all right, trowel.
Yeah, mate, I like it.
Would you be comfortable using that for?
I think I would.
Would you?
I would, yeah.
Well, then that's good. That's good.
I quite like that.
So we developed the trowel over about an 18-month period with a group of bricklayers here in the UK.
Yeah.
They came from multiple backgrounds, so speed layers, brick and block, ornamental. And we know how to manufacture. We don't know what you guys want in a trowel. So we have to go out and ask you guys what you want in a trowel. And that's what we did. And we worked with a group over 18 months. They told us what they want, and we went out and made it. We actually went with a new material, well, not a new material, but an upgraded material. This is chrome vanadium steel, rather than standard carbon steel. So it's a tougher grade of steel there. Because it's tougher, we can take a little bit of material out, make the blade slightly slimmer, take the material out to reduce the weight, but still have that.
I quite like that.
Good Charles Ale.
In fact, here's one of the guys. One of the guys that helped us.
I'll take a few home with me, I think.
So Blade there actually was part of that team. He helped us develop this trowel.
Very good.
So,
look, my thoughts, I quite like that. I would use that day to day.
Oh, well, that's really nice. That's a good confidence that we've got a decent trowel there.
Yeah, and I think if I brought that back to Oz, a lot of people would go for that as well.
Really?
So, like a lot of guys in Oz, they like the bigger one.
Yeah.
And so that feels good too. It's a bigger trowel, but it's not too heavy.
Yeah.
It's weighted pretty well. Weighted perfect.
Fantastic.
That's how I tell anyone. Pick a trowel up and I can do that with it.
Right.
But it's not
bow into one side.
Wants to do that, or if it falls off your finger. And the other thing too is it rings out.
Is that a good sound?
It is a good sound. It was a bit louder than I thought it was going to be, so sorry about that. But yeah, that's a pretty good indicator that you've got a good trowel.
Yeah, fantastic. Well, we're going to send some back with you if that's okay.
Yeah, sounds good to me.
Take them over to us, spread them around and see what they think.
Yep, sounds
Hopefully
good to me.
they'll go well down under.
I think you'll do very well.
Well, thank you. Listen, appreciate that. Good luck in the final. We're rooting for you.
Thank you.
Nice one. Cheers, Alex.